Hi, and welcome back to Hill and Ponton Social Security Disability Blog. I'm Natalia, Jofre, the Social Security Director.
And I'm Shelly Mark. I'm the Senior Social Security Attorney.
So we're talking about continuing disability reviews. And in our last blog, we talked about one of the triggers for being reviewed is working. And of course, this goes into a gazillion other topics, one of the which is the 9-month trial work period. We have people call us all the time, former clients. And the reason they call us is because they read in the information that Social Security gives them, and it says that you can attempt to work for up to 9 months. And upon completion of that attempt, then your benefits will be stopped and you can continue working. Or if the work attempt isn't successful, then you can continue receiving benefits. So a couple things first on the 9-month trial work period. I just want to explain what it is, basically the parameters of it. The 9 months are cumulative, not consecutive. So what that means is if you try to work 3 months this year, 3 months next year, and 3 months the following, the minute it adds up to 9 months within a 5-year period, your benefits are going to be stopped automatically. Okay, they're going to pay you for an extra 2 months, and then they're going to cut off your benefits. The other thing is that they're considering months that are over SGA, substantial gainful employment. So any month where you're making over $500 a month gross. So all of that is going to apply towards it. So a lot of times people don't even realize that they've met the 9 months because they're like, I only tried to work for 6 months. Why are they cutting off my benefits? Well, do you remember that 5 years ago you also tried? And remember, Social Security knows everything because they're going by your earnings. So the minute you're working and paying into Social Security tax, it's like a tick, tick, tick. They know every month that you're trying to do this, and then all of a sudden they just stop paying your benefits. Where the plot thickens is that then they're going to look at your income, but there's a contradiction in the law. So they tell you you have these 9 months, but the law also states that you can be reviewed and your benefits can be stopped at any time. So what'll happen is sometimes people will try to go back to work. They'll be 3 months in, Social Security will review them and stop their benefits. And the person will say, well, wait a minute, I have 9 months. Well, the law also says you can be reviewed and your benefits can be stopped at any time.
Right.
So that is a huge contradiction in the law.
It's a huge contradiction because all they have to say is that we've determined that you've had medical improvement to the point that you were able to return to work. And that's the standard for their disability reviews to stop benefits. So in a sense, by participating in their program, you're meeting their legal standard for stopping your benefits.
Wow.
Yeah. And I don't think they meant for the program to be implemented that way. But I think and we see it all the time in the cases that we see, it really does happen that way.
Yeah, it's a huge, any earnings on your earnings record are going to be a trigger for a review. Sure. It's going to be a red flag. Yeah. So why are we telling you this? Not because we don't want you to try to get better, not because we don't want you to try to go back to work, not because we don't want you to try and get off of benefits. Obviously, that's the best thing for everyone. And if you're able to do that, then by all means, you should. But people should know all the facts when trying to make those decisions. Because sometimes in good faith, a person is attempting to work, but then when their benefits are suddenly stopped, they don't understand why. And it's because they don't understand the contradiction between that 9-month trial work period. So, and working, and they think that they can bank on getting those benefits for 9 months. And that's really not the case, not the way it works out.
That's correct.
All right. Well, we'll continue talking about reviews. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to call our office or visit our website.
Thank you.